In this episode, we'll learn how to create methods in Java and understand why they are essential for writing clean, organized code. What is a method? A method in Java is a block of code that performs a specific task. Think of it as a mini program inside your main program. When you want to execute that task, you simply call or invoke the method. Let's return to our car analogy. A car has several controls and actions it can perform. Drive, stop, honk. These actions are like methods in Java. They define what a car object can do. In programming, methods describe the behavior of a class. Why organize code with methods? You might wonder, why not just write all the code in one place? Using methods brings many benefits. Readability. Your code becomes easier to read and understand. Instead of one huge block, you see clear named actions like drive or stop. Reusability. Write a method once and you can call it whenever you need. For example, our honk method can be used anytime the car needs to honk. Maintainability. If you want to change how the car drives, just update the drive method. No need to look through all your code. This makes fixing and updating much easier. Modularity. Methods break your program into small, manageable pieces. Each piece does one specific job, making your program easier to build, test, and understand. Let's see how to create these methods in IntelliJ. Open the project we created earlier, then navigate to the car class. To define a method inside the class, first write the keyword public, which means the method is accessible from anywhere in your program. Then write the return type. Here we use void because the method doesn't return anything here. Next, write the method name, for example, drive, followed by parentheses, and finally curly braces to define the method body. Inside the curly braces, you write the code that performs the action. Here we'll simply print message to the console to show what the car is doing. This helps us see the method in action without making things too complicated. I want to create another method here. To quickly duplicate the code in Windows, just select the code you want to copy and press Ctrl+D. Here we have a copy of our code. Just I want to change the method name and change the message. That's it for today. In the next episode, we'll create a car object and call these methods to see the car in action. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. You can find all the course materials on my GitHub. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support is appreciated. See you in the next episode.